Welcome to Assemble, Takeoffs and Estimating. By using Assemble, you will be able to do your material takeoff from any set of construction drawings 10 times faster than with pen and paper. Use the length tool to get any linear measurement. Click to start, click to drop a marker and change direction, and double click to finish. You can add additional parameters to all measurements, but for the length tool, we can add a height and you will get the area of walls, for example. You can add a width and a depth to get volume and whatever else it is you need. Same with the area tools. Your rectangle is simply click, drag and drop and you'll get the area of any symmetrical space. The polygon works the same as the length. Click to start, click to drop a marker, change direction, double click to finish. By using your groups, you will see the tally of all of your measurements in the measurements drawer on the top right. Use the count tool to count doors, sockets, vents, whatever it is you need. And the annotation tool will help you to communicate clearly with clients or subcontractors by marking notes on the plans. By setting up your categories and groups, you will be able to segment your material takeoffs. Reuse the work that you've done in your first takeoff to create templates. You will then be able to apply them to every project going forward to make your takeoffs and estimating faster and faster the more you use the system. Once you're finished your material takeoff, download your marked up plans and all of the measurements that you've done, really speeding up the whole process and ensuring that you've got everything down to the last screw accounted for in your estimates and ensuring you'll be able to make a profit on the job. Sign up for your 14-day free trial and see for yourself how Assemble can help your business.